So Bernard, you talked some one product line, Adam. Next, talk about your product line. I believe it's called ODIN, ODIN.
Yeah. Optical Display Integration Network, and Odin is our VR AR
So it
platform.
wasn't after the God of Thunder's father, nothing.
Yeah, no. No. It is based off the Norse mythological, obviously. Yeah, Odin. I'm a big fan of mythology. Growing up, like I would always read like all the Greek myths, Norse myth, like the Egyptian mythology, the Aztec stuff. I was super into all of that. So I am nerding out there a little bit, but yeah. So Odin is our the first two words, right? Optical display, and that's why that's the VR like headset stuff that I was talking about, and we can also build this out in augmented reality, which is more what like the manufacturing clients are looking for, and more what what like instructional like mechanics or manufacturing or even like city planners, architects or whatnot. So we could go into like a bare bones room and then let's say you didn't have any of this equipment out there, we could put it for you using 3D models, and then you can play around with the layout of this room. Oh, what if I put my desks over here? What'll that look like? You'd have like the HoloLens. So our first prototype was built off HoloLens 1. And so I don't know if you've messed with that before, but you could see the real world. It's a clear lens, and then added to it there's 3D objects and models. So you could be like standing right here. It's an empty room. Where do I want to put my lighting? How's that going to look? Where do I want my speakers? How does that look? And that's just more of like a basic scenario, but we can get advanced to the point of and that the other part of it, integrated network, because we're integrating to databases that either we're helping our clients build or we're cleaning up data the clients already have in their databases and adding that. So you're walking down a manufacturing line, right? You've got a HoloLens or equivalent AR glass on, and while you're looking at everything, it's showing how many hours of work have been on this generator. This generator has 500 hours. It's got a lifespan of 850. You're at like you've got 35% of usable lifetime left before a new maintenance event is going to be needed. And instead of having to go in there and look at like the little numbers on the digits of the generator and how many hours working it's got, you literally just look over it. Our system will recognize what object it is. So that's the large part of there's AI behind that that's seeing the object, for lack of a better term. And I won't deep dive into how like artificial intelligence sees, because it doesn't really see. It translates photo frames from videos
Okay, I
into
didn't
like
know that.
mathematical bitmaps, and then it like analyzes that because it's computer. It can't see, like what I was going back earlier. It's dumb. It can't just like see and realize, like it's got to turn it into math somehow and then see that way. But yeah, I won't get into details. Basically, you could go over like a generator or your car or my motorcycle or whatever, and as long as we've created that analytics platform behind it for you, it'll read it, it'll see it, and then it'll show you what's going on with it. Whether it's like tire thread or this or that, we could update it for you. We could provide a simple UI for you could walk down with a tablet instead of the AR goggles and put the camera over it. It'll recognize it. It'll show you the 3D image, and then it'll give you the metrics. So that's Odin. It's how much data and information can we acquire, collect, and store and analyze for you, and then display it in a way that you can use it to understand your surroundings, understand your business better, and make some data driven decisions. At the end of the day, all of our products are built for our clients to be able to make data driven decisions. We're big fans of using data for good, and if it gets our clients more value and it makes them more profitable, well, we're right there with them. So once again, I believe in that mutual. We help you, you help us, and everybody grows together. So that's why we want to provide the best solutions
And the
possible.
last one is